Dog crate clutter taking over? Here's the best dog crate setup. 5 crates, no extra tools. Quick answer. Midwest Ultima Pro is the sturdy, everyday default. Choose Dig's Revol for smoother access, iCrate for easier carrying, Fable for furniture duty, or RuffLand for home-to-car use. No crate suits every home. Choose for space, cleanup, durability, and how often you move it. For most homes, I'd choose the Midwest Ultima Pro 2-door folding crate. Buy it if you want a straightforward crate that can stay set up, then fold down when storage matters. Its heavier wire, access from either side, and removable tray cover the everyday jobs without paying for decorative extras. The trade-off is weight. It is harder to carry than lighter wire crates, and the tray lock and divider need a firm hand. Skip it if you regularly move crates room to room or need something easy to lift alone. If the crate lives out in your room every day, look at the Dig's Revol Dog Crate. Buy it if rolling the crate, lifting the door upward, and reaching in from the top will genuinely make your routine easier. It feels more considered in a lived-in space than a basic wire frame. But you're paying heavily for that convenience. Assembly takes more work. It does not pack as flat as a simple folding crate, and some larger trays can crack with heavier dogs. Skip it if basic wire already handles your routine. For a crate you'll carry or store often, the Midwest iCrate double-door dog crate is the lighter wire option. Buy it if you want the useful 2-door, fold-flat, removable tray format without making every move a workout. It keeps the practical basics while taking less effort to handle. That lighter build is the catch. Its thinner wire gives more easily than the Ultima Pro, and the handle and bottom clip can be awkward during setup. Skip it for a dog that persistently leans on panels or tries to break out. When the crate has to earn its floor space, the Fable Crate is the furniture-style route. Buy it if you have a crate-trained adult dog and want the crate to work like a side table instead of equipment in the corner. That can make a tight room feel far less crowded. The compromise is practicality. Larger versions are very heavy, assembly can need a second person, and there is no removable tray for quick mess cleanup. Its surfaces can also show scratches. Skip it for dogs that chew, scratch, or push hard during training. For owners moving between home and vehicle, the RuffLand Kennel is the practical all-in-one crate. Buy it if you want a rigid plastic shell, carry handles, and door layouts that can work around your cargo area or back seat. There is no assembly to deal with, which keeps the setup simple. Its limit is permanent bulk. The shell keeps its full footprint when you are not using it, and it looks more functional than decorative indoors. Tie-down rings and straps are extra. Skip it if closet storage, furniture use, or crash rating documentation matters most. Quick map. Everyday durability goes to the Ultima Pro. Easier daily access goes to the Revol. Frequent moving goes to the iCrate. Furniture duty goes to Fable. Home-to-car flexibility goes to RuffLand. Before buying, measure the crate's living spot and its storage spot. Decide whether you need folding, carry handles, or a removable tray. If your dog pushes hard on wire panels, do not trade heavier construction for an easier lift. If you're unsure, start with the Ultima Pro for a durable, everyday crate. Go Revol if daily access matters more, iCrate if you move it often, Fable if it must work as furniture, or RuffLand if car trips rule your routine. Links are in the description. Squared away. Buy by the problem, not the loudest claim. Subscribe for the next setup guide.